Hello YouTube, my Mark III Supra is currently running Lexus LS430 rear brake calipers using an adapter from PMM mods. And on this video, I want to show another way of fastening this aluminum adapter to the rear axle hub. The typical installation uses 10mm bolts from the OEM rear brake caliper and inserts these bolts through the rear axle hub, then threads into the aluminum adapter. For my Supra, I use longer bolts plus nuts and washers. The longer bolt is first threaded into the aluminum adapter, then through the rear axle carrier, where a washer and nut are used to tighten everything in place. This seems to provide a more secure arrangement, in my opinion. I got this idea from a discussion on the Supraforums, which I'll provide a link to in the description. Let me know what you all think. Thanks for watching.